सोल्डरिंग ತಂತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಯಾರ್ ಜಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೈ ಕೊಡ್ಕೆ ತಕೊಂಡನಲ್ಲ LDR LED resistor LED ತೋರ ನಾನು ಜಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದ ಸೂಜಿತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ वीजा टिकट तो चला वीजा टिकट हुआ
laser circuit. Here 12 volt supply, positive is given to 1 kilo resistor. You see here 12 volt supply. Okay, from positive to we given here 1 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, from 1 kilo ohm resistor to LDR, 1 kilo ohm resistor to LDR, and from LDR to LED. Okay, this is the LED and LED positive. Okay, we are given here LED positive, and from negative to DC supply negative. Okay, see here negative to DC supply negative. This is the connection of laser circuit. Now okay, in our project we are made laser security circuit. Okay, in this is the laser. Okay, when we make it on, okay, you can see here this LED beam is falling on mirror 1, and from mirror 1 to mirror 2, from mirror 2 to mirror 3, from mirror 3 to mirror 4, and again back to mirror 1. Okay, now when we test it, okay, test, you can see here, okay, when is LED beam is on, okay, this is the door, this is home door. When anybody goes from entrance of the home, okay, anybody goes from this side, okay, here his beam is cutting, means LED is, indicator LED is off. Okay, now it is on. Again anybody goes from here, it is off. Okay, any side, from this side also sir. Okay, here also LED beam is cutting, means this LED indicator is off. Okay, when it is, anybody goes inside, again it is on, or from out of this house also it will glow. Okay, this is a different laser circuit. Okay, first time made in YouTube channel. Okay, you can see this is the connection and this is the arrangement of laser security alarm circuit.